Well, hello there, friends. Welcome to my channel, This Kitchen Rendezvous. And if it is your first time stopping by, a warm welcome to you. Without further ado, let's start making our delicious Haitian fried chicken. Yes, it is so delicious. Stay tuned. And as always, may God bless you all. To begin, I'll be marinating our clean chicken. It's already been cleaned with lime juice, salt, and vinegar. Now I'm taking my Haitian AP so I can marinate my chicken really well. I'll be adding some additional seasoning. My loves, if you have not tried a Haitian fried chicken, you need to try Haitian fried chicken. It is so delicious. I'm not gonna bragging about Haitian fried chicken, but yes, we take our fried chicken to the next level. Indeed, we do. Next, I'll be adding some lime juice. Definitely you need some lime juice, guys. And I'll be adding some chili powder. Need a little kick to it, adobo powder. We'll be doing some ground paprika. Some black pepper. Be adding some salt. And as well some mustard, guys. Some hot sauce. Give that a mix. Now I'm adding some chopped tomatoes, some chopped onions. Now I am adding some sazon powder. And last but not least, I'll be adding some chopped garlic, guys. Now we're gonna give that a good mix, guys. Make sure all those good ingredients combine together. Yeah, give it a mix. Use your hands, shake it, do whatever you want. Mix it well, really well, guys. Next, I'm adding a little bit of oil so I can start cooking my chicken for at least a good 20 to 25 minutes. Yes, my loves, we have to pre-cook our chicken before we fry the chicken. Yes, Haitian chicken has to pre-cook first. Next, my loves, I'll be adding some jalapeno poked with cloves and as well some fresh thyme and fresh parsley along with 2 other peppers, guys. And I'll be adding 1 Scott bonnet pepper, guys. Okay. Now let our chicken really cook for at least a good 20 minutes. Then we'll be ready to fry it. Now that our chicken are done cooking, guys, we are ready to fry those chicken. Look at those. Yes. Ah, yes, they were so delicious. Yes. Then we're gonna give them a good fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes per side, and then you're ready to have our Haitian fried chicken. I do have a deep fryer. Okay, my loves, if you don't have a deep fryer, you can also use a pot to fry your chicken, okay? A regular pot on your stove, okay, guys? It's optional, so you don't have to have a deep fryer to fry your chicken, okay? Just letting you know. Now, this is the first batch. I'm gonna switch side for at least another 2 minutes, and then our fried chickens are ready. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at those chicken. Yes, they were so delicious, my loves. Indeed, they were. And voila, my loves. Our Haitian fried chicken is ready to serve. I hope you give this recipe a try and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.